Here's an overview of FINSYNC's Income tab and invoicing capabilities. From the landing page of the Payments tab, you'll navigate to the left side of the screen. You'll find invoices listed underneath the income and next to it, a plus sign. Clicking on the plus sign will open up the new invoice generation screen. At the top, you have a drop-down menu that has a full list of all your customers that you have cataloged. If needed, you can easily create new customers by using the Add New link. Be sure that when adding new customers, you store their email information, seeing that invoices will be sent out electronically. You can update the issue date for the invoice to be sent out at some point in the future. You also have the option of attaching a file such as a scanned copy of the physical invoice to be sent along with the electronic one. Below this blue bar here are several important features to note. To begin with, the item found here on the left side of the screen will give you the option of selecting a line item that you have created from your catalog. This would be the specific item that you're billing the customer for. You can add additional line items as needed by using the new line feature here. A plus sign, which would be found here after selecting a line item, can help you designate an attribute for this item, which would be equivalent to designating it to fall under a category for reporting purposes. The description tag here is a section that can be optionally filled out in a similar fashion to a memo line. FINSYNC does support the ability to split payments. You can find that underneath the payment schedule. Simply click the split button here. If you need to remove one, simply utilize the red X and select OK. FINSYNC can also generate recurring invoices by toggling this option here. When doing so, the settings that relate specifically to the recurring items will populate on the right side of the screen. Make sure that you change these if and when needed. Once you've filled out all the appropriate and required information, you'll be ready to save as well as send out your invoice, which you can do here at the bottom of the screen using the green button. To see your full catalog of invoices, simply select the Invoices tab, which is found again underneath the income on the left side of the screen. On the catalog, you will easily see what invoices that have been sent out, as well as whether or not they are paid or unpaid, which would be designated by the status.